Very good morning to everybody. Today we are going to discuss social subject civics. In civics subject, how the state government works. That is, we are going to discuss about how the state government is functioning on and what are the things it's been worked on and how it will be the deliverable things and everything was functioning and laws and regulations about MLAs, how the MLAs are becoming as ministers or chief ministers. Then finally we need to know about legislative assembly and what do you mean by about the constituency and everything. So now, who are MLAs? What do you mean by about the abbreviation of MLA? MLA means Member of Legislative Assembly. Member of Legislative Assembly. Those member of legislative assemblies will be elected by whom? The people only will be electing the MLA directly. That is, the political party will select the candidate. There are number of political parties are there. So, for example, DMK, ADMK, BJP, DMDK, PMK, Indian National Congress, likewise different political parties are there. So, in that political party, they will, the top leader, and they will put some committee and they will select the particular candidate and they will instruct the candidate to contest in the election. So, if they have won in the election, MLA election, they will be said to be as member of Legislative Assembly. They then become member of Legislative Assembly to form a government. So, MLAs, where they will be located? In every state in India, every state there is a Legislative Assembly. In Tamil Nadu, where the Legislative Assembly is situated? The Legislative Assembly is situated in Chennai. So, every state in India has Legislative Assembly. Each state is divided into different areas or constituencies. So, there are totally, in Tamil Nadu, there are totally 234 constituencies are there. How we need to remember? 2, 3, 4. 234. We need to remember 2, 3, 4. Like totally 234 constituencies are there. From each constituency, the people will be electing one representative. That representative will be called as MLA. This is what about the MLA explanation. What does they do and what is their role? Their duty is, if they go to Legislative Assembly, they need to speak about the problems whichever oriented in their constituency. Whoever the peoples they are getting suffered and whatever the problems they are facing in their particular constituency, they need to speak in front of all the members in the assembly. That is what about MLA. In Tamil, what we will say as சட்டமன்ற உறுப்பினர். ஒவ்வொரு தொகுதிக்கும் கான்ஸ்டிடியூன்சினா தொகுதி, அந்த ஒவ்வொரு தொகுதிக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு சட்டமன்ற உறுப்பினர் என்பவர் இருப்பார். Then next, how are MLAs become ministers or chief ministers? How are MLAs become ministers or chief ministers? A political party whose MLAs have more than half of the number of constituencies in a state, that is, a political party who is, there are totally, already I have communicated that in Tamil Nadu there are totally 234 constituencies. 234 constituencies. So how many for each constituency? One MLA. So number of MLAs in Tamil Nadu is 234. So from this 234, they are saying as a political party whose MLAs have more than half of the number. More than half of the number means, divided half means how? Divided by 2. Divided by 2 means 1 2 is to 1 2 is 2, so 117 plus 1 equal to 118. If 118 MLAs are there in one party, they would be come as a ruling party. So they only will be set as majority. That is 234 half of the 234 is what? 117. 117 plus 1 is 118. If more than 118 MLAs are there, that is more than 117 MLAs are there in a single political party, they would be form a majority. Then next thing is, a political party who has the majority is called ruling party, and all other members are called opposition party. That is, majority means in the sense of, that is half of the members. That is, in Tamil Nadu there are 234 MLAs. From those 234 MLAs, half means 117. More than, that is minimum 118 MLAs need to be there in Tamil Nadu in a single political party. Then only they will be said as majority. If majority is there, then only they can rule the government. And remaining all other members are called opposition. The next thing is, MLA belonging to the ruling party will elect their leader who will become chief minister. That is, the MLA who is belonging to the ruling party will elect their leader. That is, more than half of the MLAs. From total MLAs, more than half of the MLAs are there, means that is 117 plus 1. They will, the entire 118 MLAs will elect their leader, and they will become as a chief minister. The next point is, the chief minister then select other people as ministers. Now in Tamil Nadu, nearly 32 ministers are there. Those 32 ministers are in AIADMK party. Which political party is ruling the government in Tamil Nadu? ADMK. Those ADMK peoples only will be the ministers. What is legislative assembly? Now, what is legislative assembly is, a legislative assembly is a place where all MLAs, whether from the ruling party or opposition party, meet to discuss various things. That is, a legislative assembly is a place where we can discuss. In that legislative assembly, MLAs, chief ministers, ministers, everyone will be there. That is the place to discuss the people's issue and area-wise, constituency-wise issues in all development fields, whatever the fields, whichever been associated, in all the fields, we need to discuss various things. Means the legislative assembly is the one way to discuss about all the problems. The next one is, what is a constituency? A constituency na ennadu? Constituency na Sattamandram. Constituency means a particular area from which all the voters living there choose their representatives. That is, for example, in Chennai, what are all the constituencies are there? Tambaram, Pallavaram, T Nagar, Saidapet, Thiruvallikeni, Chepak, Ambattur, Avadi. Likewise, each constituency is there. In these constituencies, the peoples who are living in that particular area, they only will choose their representatives. This is what about the constituency. Next question is, what do you mean by about majority? Majority means the simple concept, more than half of a number. Suppose, for example, a simple concept I will tell you. In a company, if a union election is being held between two parties, suppose, for example, or not two groups, suppose two members are contesting in the election. For one member, he is getting nearly totally 30 workers are there. So in those 30 workers, half of the workers means how much? 15 plus 1, 16. If 16 members has casted vote to that particular member, he only will become as a union leader. So likewise, what does it refers to is, for example, here in Tamil Nadu, there are totally 234 MLAs. If majority means how much it should come? The one political party should have half of, more than half. More than half means half is how much? 117. More than 1. So 118. If 118 MLAs are there, then only if 118 MLAs are present in same political party, in one political party, then only they will be said as majority. What does opposition refers to? Opposition means, opposition party na எதிர்க்கட்சி. Opposition means party, kachi. Opposition party means எதிர்க்கட்சி. Elected representatives who are not members of the ruling party. Elected representatives who are not members of the ruling party and who play the role of questioning the government decisions and actions as well as raising new issues. If the opposition party is there means they can raise the questions, and whatever the new implementation schemes that has been implemented by ruling party government, if it is wrong, then they can raise the questions. Opposition party can raise the questions and they can point out whatever the mistakes are there and whatever the questions whichever regarding with the people representation and everything, people problems, issues, area wise issues and everything, they can raise the questions. That is what the opposition. Press conference. Next one is press conference. Press conference means what? A gathering of journalists from the media who are invited to hear about and ask questions in a particular issue. That is press peoples. Who are the press peoples? Dinatandi, Dinamalar, Dinaharan, The Hindu, Times of India, NDTV, Jaya TV, Sun TV and Vasant TV, Vijay TV. Likewise, different media. There are now n number of medias are there. So those peoples are gathering in a one place, and if they are asking the question, what the problems are, how we are going to resolve this issue. Likewise, they will ask to MLAs, VIPs, MPs, Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister and to anyone, whoever may be. But that is said to be as press conference. Gathering of journalists from the media. The next one is, why should decisions taken by Chief Minister and other ministers be debated in the Legislative Assembly? The Chief Minister and other ministers take decisions and run the government. That is, Chief Minister and other ministers will be only taking the decisions. Whatever the good schemes we can give to the people, because they are only running the government. So for that purpose only, Chief Minister and other ministers only can able to take the decisions. Whatever the decisions taken by them, it have to approve by the member of the Legislative Assembly. Whatever the decisions has been taken or whatever the policies, rules and regulations and act enablement, whatever they have implemented, those things they need to get approval from the members of the Legislative Assembly. For this also, the majority would be implemented. Half of the members have supported for this. More than half of the members have supported for this. Implementation means that is decision and everything. Then it will be implemented. These members can ask questions, debate an important issue, decide where money should spend and everything. So likewise, different rules and regulations and everything, they can able to get it. That's all.